Is your screen flickering like crazy, jumping, flashing, or dimming for no reason? Don't worry, in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to fix this screen flickering problem, step by step, whether you're on a laptop, desktop, or monitor. By the end of this video, your screen will look smooth and stable again. Step 1. Check the display cable. Alright, let's begin with the simplest and most common reason: the display cable. If your HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cable is loose or damaged, the display signal keeps breaking, which causes that annoying screen flicker. So here's what you need to do. Turn off your PC or laptop completely. Now, carefully unplug the HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cable from both ends, the computer and the monitor. Take a close look at the connector pins. If they look bent, corroded, or dusty, that's a red flag. Use a soft microfiber cloth or cotton swab to clean both ends. Avoid using wet wipes or tissue paper, as that can leave residue. Once it's clean, reconnect it firmly into the port until you hear a solid click or feel it fit snugly. Step 2. Check the power connection. Now, let's move on to power. A flickering screen can often mean unstable power flow, not just inside your device, but also through the outlet it's plugged into. Here's what you can do. Make sure your monitor's power cable is firmly connected to the back of the screen. Avoid using loose extension cords or multi-plugs; they can cause power drops. Always plug your monitor or laptop adapter directly into a wall socket. If you're using a voltage stabilizer, check if it's functioning properly. Laptop users, unplug the charger and observe your screen. If the flickering stops when you disconnect the charger, your power adapter might be faulty. Try using another charger of the same rating to confirm. Step 3. Update or reinstall the display driver. Software issues are another major cause of screen flicker. Outdated or corrupted display drivers often conflict with your Windows updates or GPU settings. Let's fix it step by step. Press Windows X and select Device Manager. Expand the section called Display Adapters. Right-click on your GPU, click Update Driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the process to finish, then restart your computer. If the problem doesn't go away, right-click the same GPU again, choose Uninstall Device. Restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall a clean driver version. Step 4. Disable hardware acceleration. Sometimes the problem isn't the cable or driver, it's your apps using too much GPU power. This happens because of a feature called hardware acceleration. It's meant to make apps run smoother, but on some systems, it causes flickering and screen tearing. Let's disable it. Starting with Google Chrome. Open Chrome, click the 3 dots on the top, right, select Settings. In the search bar, type hardware acceleration. Turn the toggle off, then restart Chrome. That's it. Your browser should now run without flickering. Other apps that may need the same fix: Microsoft Edge, Discord, OBS Studio, Adobe Photoshop, Premiere Pro, even some games with unstable frame sync. For each of these, look for a Performance or Advanced Settings section and disable hardware acceleration there too. So that's how you fix screen flickering fast and easy. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and comment below which steps solved your problem. See you in the next video.